Hello, all my awesome people out there in the YouTube land. Welcome to another haul video. Guys, this time I was able to just hit the mother load at Hobby Lobby, guys. They have the best clearance items. I don't know where Hobby Lobby clearance section been all my life, but let's jump right on into this, guys. Like, seriously. Okay, let's start off with these two items I am super excited about. This is from Bria Reese, and she has a YouTube channel, I believe. I need to subscribe to her because I watched a few of her videos because I got these brush pens. So I was like, oh, wait a minute. Okay, so she actually has like a YouTube channel, but I found these water brush pens that has watercolors in the pen. And look at that price, guys. They were on clearance for $3.74, marked down from $14.99 for 3 pens. And they also have the glitter brush pens. So I can't wait to get in here and use these, guys. So I got these two marked down on clearance. And excuse me, she also has ink. So I got the glitter ink and the watercolor ink. These are just the regular inks that you can refill. I'm pretty sure you can refill these pens with, or you can just use it on a palette. She has a video where she's just putting a little drop of this on a palette, like a watercolor palette, and just using it with a regular paintbrush. So this one was 99 cents. The two watercolor inks. I got magenta, medium magenta, and gold. And I'm going to try to use these like quickly so I can go back and get more if they have more left. They are marked down from $3.99 to 99 cents. Then I got the glitter inks, which were marked down from $4.99 to $1.24. So I can't wait to try these out, guys. And what I've never dealt with loose inks, but what I initially figured I could use these for was like refilling my ink pads. But when I saw her video about how she just used them as regular paints, I was like, wait a minute, idea. So I was super excited about getting those, and I cannot wait to try them. And of course, you guys are going to know as soon as I know how good they are. I will be doing a review and demonstration video. The next thing I got that I was super excited about were these, guys. Oh my goodness. The 36 Tri Plus Fine Liners from Statler. I have a set already, but it's a small set. I think it's like 10 or 12 of the set. I don't have 36, and this was an amazing deal. I'm trying to see what the regular price on this is. $50, guys. Oh my goodness, $49.99. That is amazing, and I found it for $3.83 for all of these. Amazing. You talk about somebody was cheesing all the way to the cash register. Me. Now, I got this, guys. I have no clue what I'm going to do with this, but I have heard people using masking liquid or on like coloring books so that they can use like watercolor. So this is a masking liquid pen, and it was only 27 cents, marked down from I don't know what. It doesn't have an original price on it, but I'm sure it wasn't originally. Oh, there it is. $8.99. Hold up. Yes, I need to go back and get a few more of those, but there was only one. This was the last one. So if you guys use this particular pen by Moloto, the graphics liquid masking liquid. If you use this and you know what to do with it, leave a comment down below. But it tells you this is a pumper marker, 4mm, colored masking liquid for precise, clean application on multiple surfaces. Okay, so it's colored. So it's that blue color. Don't know how that's gonna work, but okay. I thought it was like clear, but just had like a blue tint, like, and come on clear, but I guess not. You see, I'm trying to clean the thing off. Crazy OCD. Yep, that's me. Anyway, the rest of it says, ready to use water-based fluid for acrylic, water, and alcohol-based inks. Ready to use water-based fluid. Okay. Easy to peel off within 48 hours of application. Why would I want it to peel off? Okay, I don't know what in the world I'm going to do with this, guys. We'll figure it out, but for 27 cents, I figured, hey, we'll work with it. We'll do something with it, right? Next, guys, I got a few stickers. Now, I was excited to find these stickers because I can definitely use these in my card making, and they have some beautiful sayings on them. Live today fully and you'll create a lifetime of meaningful memories. Just some beautiful, beautiful sayings, guys. I really like it. And then these, I got these stickers for some of my scrapbooking and planner buddies that I'm going to probably send to them, because I don't really do a lot of scrapbooking and planning and stuff. So I'm sure they will, you know, make the best out of this. And last is this beautiful sticker set. I just thought these were just too cute. Aren't those pretty? So we got those stickers. And we have a couple of coloring books. I got Whimsy, Nature Whimsy, a wordplay coloring book. And if I can get all of these, I would be very happy, because I think they're so cute. How they have the picture of the item and then they have all the words to actually make the item. Like for this butterfly, they have fragile and caterpillar and flight and wings, migrate, colorful. That's just all the words that describe a butterfly. And all of the words that describe a fish, sea, all that kind of stuff. Large mouth, bait, lake. It's so cute. I like how they play on the words like that. So pretty. So nice. So if you guys would like a flip through of this one, just let me know. And last but not least, I found this beautiful baby. Splash of Color Painting and Coloring Book by Lay Libre of Linda and Harriet. I don't know if that's L-I-Y or what, but I know that's Libre, so that's their name. Regular price on this was $24.95. Oh my goodness, yes. And I paid only $1.43 for it. So I guess that is L-I-Y. I don't know. Okay. So anyway, it has a great welcome page, and then it actually comes open like this, but the pages lift up as so. And it is watercolor paper. Very nice, thick paper on here. And the images are very, very geometric and simple and cardstockish. But that's okay. And that looks like some pears. And you can add your own detail to that. So that'll be nice. Look at that rooster. Okay. Very interesting. Beautiful paper. And repeating images. I'm not crazy about all of the images. But with this type of paper, I'll say, hey, I'll take it. Because it's some beautiful textured paper that is on. Very thick. Okay, guys. So that's my Hobby Lobby clearance haul. Thank you so much for tuning in. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, because that will help others to find this video and find my channel. And please subscribe to my channel, because that will mean you're enjoying my videos and I will keep making them for you. So thanks so much for joining me, and you have a wonderful, wonderful, wonderful rest of the day. And as always, say it with me. Happy coloring. Bye.